sin, bring this to the beginning of the timeline, and awesome. Let's start it.
Piece of me, make you take you to.
Hi everyone. So I think till now you have been seeing just the bits and pieces of my days where I literally didn't welcome you people into the video, which is a sad thing, but it is what it is. So today I filmed this makeup look. After maybe this video, that video will go up and I think you will like it. Did I give myself a schedule that I will be posting these many days in the day or these many days? No, I didn't give myself that schedule, because once, I don't know, there is something, if I give myself this kind of schedule, I tend not to stick to it, which is bad. But I rather sticking to the schedule or something, I think I need to build habit of filming every day. That's what I'm trying to do with all these videos. So yeah, I think I should wrap up the video. I know it's a very small, I don't even know how long this video is going to be. Once I put all the clips in the editor, I'll be able to see. But yeah, this is day one of me trying to be consistent. And yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching. I'll see you in my next video, which is already short. Thank you so much.